Welcome to the charming coastal town of Castellammare di Stabia, located just 29 kilometers from Naples and 19 kilometers from Sorrento. We arrived in Castellammare on a Sunday evening by train, and the town was alive. Families were strolling down the streets, restaurants packed with locals, kids playing soccer, and fireworks lighting up the sky. When we asked our Airbnb host if it was a holiday, he said, no, just a regular Sunday. This was the least touristy town we stayed in on our trip, and we absolutely loved it. Speaking of our Airbnb, we had the unique experience of staying on a sailboat in the marina. Apologies for the nighttime tour. It had already gotten dark by the time we arrived. Sleeping in the marina did not feel like we were on a boat at all. It was very steady. We don't tend to get seasick, so I can't speak for those who do, but for us, it was smooth sailing. The next morning, our host sailed us to the island of Capri, and the ride over was nothing short of amazing. We spent the day exploring Capri, which was as stunning as you'd imagine. To top it off, we took a dip in the Mediterranean Sea at sunset. Our second day there, we had planned to hike Mount Vesuvius, but our host suggested an alternate adventure, the Path of Angels. It was definitely the right call. A cable car whisked us up to the trailhead, and we had the entire trail almost to ourselves, with the exception of a few wild horses. We ended the day with a delicious homemade soup cooked outdoors by the sweetest man you could meet. If you're looking for a truly unique, off-the-beaten-path experience, check out the booking link in the description below.